What it do, 18 so hard, and I'm back with another video. And y'all can tell by the title what nigga got going on. So today, y'all, I'm about to go look at some bikes. Know what I'm saying? Know what I'm saying? I see y'all like the last video, the bike video, but like, I'm about to go see like what I like, y'all. I'm looking for a dirt bike, y'all. A dirt bike, something I can have fun on. Know what I'm saying? Not too much. And I ain't gonna lie, y'all. I don't know too much about bikes, but I do know a 2-stroke and a 4-stroke. And I think I want a 2-stroke just because like it easy, like it ain't too much. Know what I'm saying? And I don't know how to ride or none, y'all. So a 2-stroke, I feel like it'll be good for me. Know what I'm saying? But I'm about to go look at some. I'm about to bring y'all with me. Know what I'm saying? So y'all stay tuned. What it do, y'all? So I'm back. So I just pulled up to the store, y'all. I just pulled up to the little banker store. What is that? I just pulled up, y'all. I'm about to go inside, see what they got, ask some questions, and I'm about to bring y'all with me. Know what I'm saying? So let's go. I don't even know. Stay tuned, y'all.
Intend on charging Big Jook?
Not really. I want not really. 2-stroke, 4-stroke, both really. I want to look at both. Y'all don't hear me 4-stroke? Okay.
Only 4-stroke.
Only 4-stroke? Oh, for real? Shit, I don't got no 2-stroke?
Not at the moment. I only have Honda, Kawasaki, and Suzuki. That's the dirt bikes I carry. Are you looking for like trail riding? What kind of riding are you gonna do?
Really? Both? No, it's just for fun though. Yeah, like I'm really like, cause I'm new to it, you know what I'm saying? Riding bike, and I heard that 4-stroke like more complicated than 2-strokes. That's what I heard. I really don't know what I'm saying? But that's what I heard. So, what you think?
Well, I think 2-stroke is more complicated.
For real?
You mix oil and gas in it.
Okay.
4-stroke, you don't.
You don't do that? So what y'all got? Like, can you show me around what y'all got?
So I got my Kawasaki 250s. Or I got my Hondas right over here. I got my CRF 250Rs. And I got my 450s.
So like, what's the price range like of y'all bikes?
They're starting on Hondas. They're starting at $95.99.
$95, $99. And
Kawasaki, I have this one on sale. They're starting at $7,899.
Okay. And what these over here?
So these are street legal for off and on the road.
Okay.
Or I have, if you're gonna go for a street, I got my Suzuki to go on the street.
Okay. So what?
You're a YouTuber?
Yeah. This what they want to see, so I gotta give them what they want to see.
I got you.
Yeah. So
What's
like,
your YouTube name?
ATM Terrio. Yeah. So these like price range with these.
Those. Let me see.
So no 2-stroke, y'all. You hear me? And she said 4-stroke. You don't need no oil, right?
You don't mix oil and gas.
Okay. I sure be seeing that a lot, but I guess that only for 2-strokes, huh?
Yeah, two strokes you have to mix oil and gas.
Okay. Something I didn't know, y'all. You hear me? I'm learning.
These are starting at 5,449.
Okay. What's this right here? What they did right there? The Baker Green.
It's a 140.
140.
And dirt bike at 140. That one, let's see. That one is starting at 3,999.
Not bad, not bad. Let me see. Can we go around there?
Yeah, go ahead.
What y'all think, chat? Y'all said don't get nothing too big. That's what y'all told me. And this right here, you just with the 4-stroke, you just hit the
So
instead
the
of
4-stroke, you just put gas
uh-huh.
right there.
Oh, I'm thinking this is wild. Damn.
That's the gas.
Uh-huh.
Electric start and just go.
Okay. So I don't like. I think I see some I like. You know what I'm saying? And you said what 3,000?
4,000.
4,000.
You wanna get on and I will record it?
Yeah. Hello. Let me call it bigger. How many store right there? Y'all, this feel light too. It ain't too big for me.
It's just right.
It's just right. Good too. Do y'all do like down payments and stuff?
We do. We do have financing.
Like this, and it feel good. Not too much, not too big. And then I had another question, cause I heard that 4-stroke is heavier than 2-stroke.
It's heavier?
Yeah, but it don't feel heavy. Like, no. So how y'all
I think it just really depends on the dirt bike that you're looking for.
Okay. How fast it go?
Like around 55.
That's great though. Hey y'all, so I'm gonna get back with y'all. Let me talk business right quick, y'all. You too. You got go subscribe too. Subscribe to the channel. ATM Terrio TERRIO.
RR?
IO.
IO.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
I'm gonna check
Subscribe
it
to the
out.
channel.
I will.
All right. I'm gonna be back too soon. I'm gonna be back soon. So yeah, I was just looking around, seeing what I want. They don't got no 2-stroke bed. So they don't got no 2-stroke, y'all. But for what she was saying about the 4-stroke and how I just got on it and how it feel, I think I'm gonna go with that one, y'all. You hear me? I'm gonna do some more research on that one that she said, y'all, before I buy it though. So before I buy y'all, I'm about to go home and do some research on that joint and see like what it really hand on. And y'all in the comments, let me know what it hand on. Know what I'm saying? I forgot the name that fast, so I'm just gonna put the name up there of what she said. So y'all stay tuned though, cause they not over with. Know what I'm saying? Hey y'all, so my man Jay pulled up on me. You know what I'm saying? I'm about to take some pictures, y'all. Do what I'm about to do. I'm about to take some pictures. So y'all go on my Instagram, ATM Terrio, And go like them junk. Go mess with me, y'all. Know what I'm saying? I'm gonna post my picture before I post the video. So, y'all just come with me. Know what I'm saying? Just come with me, man. No, nigga been vlogging all day, man. Yeah, I was vlogging all day, cuz.
You good, man? It's the real fraud.
You know what I'm saying? Nigga ass still had some good shit. Don't gotta do some violence, you know what I'm saying? Got my cook, you know what I'm saying? Ain't shit in though, y'all. The double cook. And, you know what I'm saying? Y'all go get that album. I'm put it right there. Type shit.
You know you can make that junk follow you.
Yeah. My face and shit.
Your whole body.
Todd.
Too.
That shit be ugly.
Huh?
I said that whole body shit. Well, I ain't never did the whole body.
What you feeling like?
Huh?
What you feeling?
We really could have did something right here by the car right quick.
I bet.
Right here by the car. Nigga shit.
I think you going to cut.
Yeah.
You feel a little warehouse on you.
Cut this shit. These pan hard as hell though, ain't it?
Mm-hmm. Sit in the bag and look.
These hoes too fucking hard. Get myself right. Good juice, y'all. Good juice. Now let me get one stand right here inside the car type shit.
Alright. Take these out. Damn.
Like, give me some walking away from the car type shit. Ooh, my motherfucking camera hot. We hot, baby. Let me see how them hoes come right quick. Yeah, hard. Know what I'm saying? We done flashing money, y'all. You hear me? We going style. You hear me?
No.
Hard. Yeah. Let me sit y'all down. Cause we about to take some right here, y'all. You might put it on top of your car. See, you're trying to check my face right now. You hear me?
type shit. Chilling in that whole type shit. Look at that. Let me see what else. Let me see what else. Hello. Thumbnail. It's hard. Some lifestyle shit. Oh God. Yeah.
Hey, y'all stay tuned though, y'all. Know what I'm saying? On to something else. Know what I'm saying? Y'all just come the whole day. Y'all gonna be with me. Know what I'm saying? Y'all stay tuned. Hey, y'all. I'm back, man. Know what I'm saying? Now, I'm at this football game. Know what I'm saying? I told y'all, everywhere I go, y'all going today. Everywhere I go, y'all going. Know what I'm saying?
The nigga can't put me in the car.
Yeah, pick my. Know what I'm saying? Ends up. Know what I mean? But my little cousin play, y'all. This nigga play for Whitehaven. They going to get some, man, rich ass school. Know what I'm saying? But my little cousin like kick ass though, y'all. Watch, I'm telling y'all right now. He gonna have a good 6 tackles. You hear me? 6 tackles. Corner.
Yeah. You can get some motherfucking reception, goddamn.
I give his ass 1 reception if they throw it. Nah, if they keep throwing to the side, I'm gonna give him two. But if they don't, he gonna have 6 tackles for sure, y'all. Y'all stay tuned. 19. I'm gonna have to go low for this hoe.